What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a pretty fun look using a palette that I was so excited to get. I'm not sure how many of you are familiar with the show Charmed, but it was one of my favorite shows like a couple decades ago. And I finally got the palette and it's so beautiful. It's from Sola Look Cosmetics, and I'm just going to give you a quick little glimpse here. Look how cute it is. It has all the sisters and all the colors are named after characters in the show. So I'm going to go ahead and create a fun look using this today, and if you'd like to see what that looks like, then keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm just going to go do a quick little speed through of my foundation and my blush and highlighter, as well as my bronzer today. Just kind of quickly get through that, and then I'll go ahead and work on an eye look for you. To be honest, I haven't been feeling very well this week, so this is going to be a quick video, but I still wanted to get something out for you. So I'm going to go ahead and start my foundation now, and I'll just speed through that. I'll show you the product before I use it, and then I'll also link everything I use down below. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment as well. So let's get started.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Okay, so I have my face done now. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so we can get started on the eyes now. Okay, so for the first color, I'm going to put all over my lid. I'm going to use the shade Halliwell's, which is down here. It's kind of a nude champagne-y shade. And I am going to wet my brush before I put that on.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.
Sorry guys, I had to take a quick break to appease my cat. She was being a little bit needy, but I'm busy. I gotta do my makeup. Anyway, I'll finish this in just a second, but isn't she so cute? Okay, it's time to go though, okay? Okay, and then moving on from that shade, I'm gonna dip into the shade Page down here. It's kind of this orangey shade. And I'm going to kind of put that in my crease as a blending shade. So I'm going to use this larger fluffy brush to blend that out.
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know.
Okay, perfect. So I think for the deeper crease shade, I'm going to go in with the shade Balthazar, this like deep kind of rusty burnt red color. And I'll use that to kind of deepen into my crease here.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Okay, so now I'm just going to dab a lighter shade right in the center of my eye, and I'm going to use the shade White Lighter down at the bottom here. So I'm just taking a little bit on my finger. See how it kind of brightens up that center and kind of makes my eye look just a little bit bigger? Pretty. Okay, so I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera, and then I'm just going to throw a couple coats of mascara on, and then I'll be back to do a lip. Okay, so I have my mascara done and my eyeliner, and I decided to go a little more natural today because I feel like this look is a little bit more subdued than some of my previous looks, but I wanted to create a more wearable everyday look using this palette, even though there are some like really beautiful, very bright, vibrant colors in here. I mean, I would definitely like to create a look moving forward using some of these blues or this like kind of emeraldy green color. I've used this pink shade quite a bit, the one called Phoebe, which makes sense because she was my favorite character. Hopefully Alyssa Milano watches this video someday. But anyway, I really enjoy this palette. If you would like to see me create some more fun, bolder looks using this palette, comment down below and I'd be happy to do that for you. But other than that, let's throw on a lip. Today I'm going to be using the Katy Kat Matte lipstick in the shade Pink Paws. I'm going to just do that all over my lip.
Say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding.
And then I'm going to go over that with the Sexy Mother Pucker lipstick in the shade Super Nude.
My head high.
Okay, pretty. So this is a very kind of like monochromatic look. It's really easy to put together. It's a great everyday look. So I'll definitely be using this palette more in the future. I've already dipped into it a few times just to kind of try it out. So it's definitely approved by me, and I'll be creating more looks, especially on my Instagram, using this moving forward. So definitely feel free to check it out. But other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.